Welcome to my channel, Tech Explorer. MiniBig. No matter how innovative AI gets, the Japanese always seem to outdo it. Take, for example, the adorable MiniBig trailer created for their local market. This soapbox-like trailer isn't just cute, it's incredibly versatile. Thanks to its outboard motor with a power of at least 5 horsepower, it can even conquer waves, making it perfect for water adventures. Despite its compact dimensions of 4.4 x 1.6 x 1.9 meters, the trailer is a masterclass in efficient use of space. It comfortably fits 3 people and includes not only furniture, but also a functional kitchen. All this ingenuity comes at a reasonable price of around $14,500. ROLA PetPal. In a country where over 2/3 of households have a pet and a significant percentage of pet owners consider their pets part of the family, the ROLA PetPal robot is a worthy investment. Priced at $229, this innovative device is designed to keep your pets happy and well-fed while you're away. Equipped with advanced AI algorithms, the PetPal can recognize your pets and dispense treats at scheduled times. Additionally, it allows you to interact with your pets remotely during breaks at work. The PetPal also compiles a best of the day video from the clips it captures, letting you stay connected with your furry friends even when you're not home. PlantMate. When Thomas and Sadri returned from their trip to Egypt, they were dismayed to find their houseplants had perished. This inspired them to create PlantMate, a clever device that solves the problem of forgetting to water plants. PlantMate monitors soil moisture and automatically waters plants when needed. It features 4 pumps and a built-in reservoir holding 5 liters of water. If more water is required, it can connect to any additional reservoir, even utilizing a toilet system. Priced at $139, PlantMate ensures your plants stay healthy and thriving, making it a smart investment for any plant lover. Sun Joe Cleaner Kit. The Sun Joe 24 VPS Seed Ion Max is a versatile cleaning device with a long list of benefits. This cordless model is ideal for cleaning asphalt, cement, tiles, and pavers. Its 2 speeds, up to 1,800 RPM, make quick work of dirt, debris, moss, and other contaminants. The nylon brushes, with strong 14 cm bristles, are gentle on surfaces. To spring water, simply connect a regular garden hose to the unit. This cleaning device is highly efficient and user-friendly, costing around $229, making it a great addition to any cleaning arsenal. CNC ATHENA. The CNC ATHENA is an Italian motorhome that redefines luxury on the road. Boasting an expansive 1,076 square feet of floor space, it rivals even the most lavish apartments. Inside, it seamlessly blends functionality with elegance, offering ample room for work or leisure. Whether it's hosting a business meeting, a dinner party, or simply unwinding after a long day, the ATHENA delivers with style. Packed with essential appliances and comfortably furnished, it's the epitome of mobile opulence. The TechnoAlpin TR9 and TR10 are cutting-edge snow cannons designed to create snow efficiently. The TR9 is compact and excels in snowmaking performance while minimizing noise emissions and optimizing energy use. It features high-quality components such as a turbine and compressor powered by a single electric motor. Every drop of water is transformed into snow through its advanced nozzle valve technology. The TR10 represents the pinnacle of innovation and perfection, using resources efficiently and offering exceptional usability. It also features a large touch display that simplifies operation, making it an effective tool for snow creation. The Floating Seahorse is a unique floating villa with an underwater bedroom, part of the luxurious Heart of Europe project in Dubai. This exquisite villa features 3 decks: the top deck, the bottom deck, and the sea deck. On the sky deck, you can relax in the sun lounge, dine outdoors, or enjoy the jacuzzi. The sea deck includes a kitchen, living area, and a ladder for easy access to the water. The underwater deck offers stunning panoramic views of marine life and coral reefs from its 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. For those seeking the ultimate aquatic lifestyle, the Floating Seahorse is an unparalleled choice. Prices range from $4.7 million to over $5 million for the most luxurious models. It's more than just a home, it's an architectural marvel. ETH Camper. The ETH Camper is no ordinary camper. It's a futuristic transformer designed to make every journey comfortable, whether you're heading to the countryside, work, or visiting friends. Think of it as a mini apartment for various scenarios. Its first standout feature is its retractable sections, expanding the living area to 37 square meters. The second is its ability to generate electricity, 25 kilowatt hours, and water, 50 liters daily. With room for up to 4 people overnight, the ETH Camper is like a mobile home for everyday use. It's set to be released in 2025. Crawler OTAG 385. The Crawler OTAG 385 is a rugged German-made expedition SUV that's built to tackle off-road terrain while providing comfortable living quarters. Designed for up to 5 occupants, it features a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove and a large fridge, along with a bathroom complete with a shower, sink, and toilet. With modern amenities such as a smart TV, LED lighting, air and water heating systems, and solar panels, it's ready for extended adventures off the beaten path. It's an opportunity to own your very own floating paradise. For those who love being on the water, the SummerSun Boat is a dream come true. Imagine sailing on a magnificent houseboat that offers all the conveniences of home and more. Whether you want to relax on the sun deck, enjoy the fully stocked kitchen, or sleep in one of the comfortable bedrooms, the SummerSun Boat provides everything you could possibly want. There are various models and sizes available to suit different needs and budgets, with the typical cost being around $80,000. With some careful shopping, you might even find better deals. The SummerSun Boat is perfect for taking in the breathtaking scenery and enjoying exciting activities on the lake. It's an opportunity to own your very own floating paradise. The Dutchcat Houseboat is a versatile and eco-friendly power catamaran designed for comfortable and affordable cruising. Its spacious interior includes a large salon, a galley, 2 staterooms, and a bathroom, all customizable to meet your preferences. The houseboat is equipped with solar panels, a generator, and a water maker, allowing for independent and sustainable operation. Owners can choose between diesel engines, electric motors, or a hybrid system for powering the vessel. The sport version can reach speeds of up to 22 knots, while the comfort version cruises at a leisurely 8 knots. Prices for a Dutchcat houseboat start at approximately $326,165, depending on the configuration and options selected.